My name is Sifiso Vumasa. I work for iSimangaliso Wetland Park Authority and I work as an environmental education assistant. I am 31 years old. The most important thing is that I am from the neighboring community. Okay. But to me as well, I used to think it's a difficult thing to visit the park. I used to think the park is for certain people who have got money and all those things. Okay. And I used to be passionate about nature. And I never thought that one day I can work for a reserve. My father was a traditional healer, and he is the one who taught me like different trees long time ago. And he'd say to me, hey, you know what, my boy, out of this tree, you can make this kind of medicine. You see, so that's what my father was in fact doing. Going now, like exploring the park, I see the trees, I can identify them, I can put labels now on those particular trees. It makes me happy because I'm using the knowledge that I obtained from my father, and I never thought that along the way, I can make living out of it. I now interact with animals, something that I was passionate about. I now interact with trees, something that I was passionate about. And I am now transferring the knowledge that I have to another person or to another people, like the youth. To me, it's something great. It's something great. It's a kind of a job that I enjoy. Yeah, there are people now, when I meet them in town, they'll say to me, I've decided to pursue a career in nature conservation or a career in tourism after attending your field trip. So that makes me happy. No, it is important because sometimes when they see you and you're from a community and you attended an under-resourced primary school, you attended an under-resourced high school, but now you've made it and now we are working for a conservation entity. So it motivates them because they think if this man can do it, of course we can do it. Our lives as human beings depends a lot, especially on nature.